The Inductor Glass Blaster, or Glass Blaster Attachment, is a versatile tool that offers quick and clean removal of windshields and other bonded auto glass, SMC panels, spray-on bed liners, and more. The Glass Blaster is comprised of the Inductor Max power supply, hardwired with the Glass Blaster attachment, and mounted in a portable toolbox. The removable Glass Blaster attachment is made for the Inductor Pro-Max, designed to fit where other glass tools cannot go. The Glass Blaster tool allows for fast removal of auto glass in minutes, not hours. Glass can be removed from the outside, without the use of knives or wires. To remove a windshield with the Glass Blaster tool, start by removing any metallic trim or reveal molding if present. Pull back any non-metallic trim or molding. Use your L-wedge to locate the urethane adhesive if the location is unknown. Mark the location of the adhesive to assist in placement of the Glass Blaster for best performance. Ideal placement of the tool is just inside the edge of the adhesive, but never closer than at least 1 inch from the edges of the glass. This will avoid burning good paint. Turn the power control knob to maximum power, but do not turn on the inductor yet. The best place to start on most glass is a corner that is accessible from both inside and out. Position the Glass Blaster tool on the glass, with the 2 flat, pull-piece surfaces on the glass aligned with the inside edge of the adhesive you've already measured. Step on the foot switch to turn the power on. Immediately begin moving the tool parallel to the side of the corner at a rate of a ½ inch per second for approximately 9 inches, then reverse and come back to the corner. Rotate the tool and repeat in the opposite direction of the corner. Release the foot switch to power off. There may be a light trail of smoke from inside the car. This is not cause for concern. If the smoke is black and dense, the tool may be too close to the edge of the glass. Using the provided L-wedge, gently pry up on the corner of the glass while pushing outward on the glass. If the adhesive is reluctant to free from the pinch weld, turn the inductor on and place 1 pull piece of the tool over the area to get a little extra heat. As the bond yields, the glass will begin lifting. Turn off the inductor and remove the Glass Blaster. Then gently insert an L-wedge into the gap. Begin working your way around the windshield with the Glass Blaster tool, keeping parallel with the edge, and remember to move a ½ inch per second in 9-inch sections. Gently insert another L-wedge to release the bond. As freed sections cool, you may remove the L-wedges and use in other sections you are working. Continue working in this manner until the entire glass is freed. More information about the Glass Blaster and all Induction Innovations products can be found at theinductor.com. Experience invisible heat with Induction Innovations.